In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Typeform, full 2024 guide. First, sign in to your Typeform account. Head to the Typeform login page, open your workspace, and select the form you want to publish. If you have multiple forms, make sure you're working on the correct one so the right version goes live. Before you publish, take a moment to finish editing. Review every question, double-check your logic jumps so people only see what's relevant, and make sure your design matches your brand kit. Confirm your notifications are configured and your thank you screen feels clear and on brand. A quick pass in preview mode can help you catch typos and required fields that need adjusting. When you're ready, click Publish in the top right corner of the builder. Typeform will save your changes and generate a live, ready-to-share link. Think of this as flipping the switch from draft to public. After publishing, you'll see your live form URL and options for sharing, embedding, or sending. Click Copy Link to share it anywhere you need. Messaging apps, email, social posts, project tools, or on landing pages. This is the fastest way to get responses. If you prefer more control, open the Share tab and copy the direct link there, or choose an embed format. Under Share, Embed, pick the style that fits your site. A standard embed inside a page, a pop-up modal, a slide-in drawer, a full-page embed, or a sticky button launcher. Select your style, copy the HTML code, and paste it into your site builder, such as Squarespace, WordPress, Wix, Shopify, or Webflow. Preview on desktop and mobile to ensure it looks great everywhere. You can also generate a QR code under Share QR code. Download the PNG and place it on posters, menus, booths, or flyers for quick access from mobile devices. If email is your channel, go to Share Email to create a simple template. Add a subject, write a short message, add your recipients, and send or copy the link into your email platform. For social sharing, use the share options for Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter, and Typeform will create a clean preview card automatically. Want alerts when someone submits? In Settings, Notifications, turn on email notifications for yourself, and optionally set up confirmations for respondents. Before you roll it out widely, test the live link. Submit a test response, confirm the formatting and logic, check that notifications arrive, and make sure it loads quickly on mobile. Once responses start coming in, visit Results Summary or Responses to monitor total views, completion rate, drop-off points, and individual answers. Export to CSV or Google Sheets if you need to analyze or share data. If you need to tweak anything later, just edit, save, and click Publish again. Your link stays the same, so there's no need to resend it.